In this video, I'm going to discuss solving three equations with three variables. Here we have three equations, 1, 2, and 3. And we have three variables, x, y, and z. Three unknowns, three equations. I'm going to reorganize these equations and focus on the blue and yellow ones. If I multiply the blue equation, the top equation, by -1, it changes all the values to negatives. Now I'm going to add the two equations together. Negative x plus x is 0. Negative y plus 2y is -3. Negative z plus z is equal to 0. And negative 5 plus 8 is equal to 3. I'm going to move the 3 down, the negative 3y down, and that's equal to 3. Right there. Now I multiply both sides of the equation by -1/3, both sides. The 3's cancel out, so I have y is equal to -1. So I've discovered my first value, y is equal to -1, and I'm going to put that -1 right up in its spot. Let me get rid of all the green stuff, get it all off the screen, and then I'm going to move the blue equation up, I think. There it goes, it's up out of the way. And I'm going to put -1 in for the y value. Slide the -1 right into its spot. Bring the x down, and -2 times -1 is +2. And then I'm plus z, and this all equals to 8. Now I'm going to add -2 to both sides of the equation. I'm going to bring the x down. +2 plus -2 is 0, of course. Plus z is equal to 6. Let me get rid of all this stuff. Get rid of it. There it is. And move the equations around just a little bit. There we go. Now I'm going to put -1 in the orange equation, right there, and add 1 to both sides of the equation. So it becomes 2x minus 2z is equal to -4. I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation times 1/2. There we go. And that equals x minus z is equal to -2. Get rid of all this other stuff as well. And I'm going to move this equation up. Come on, there it goes, right there. So now I can add these two equations together. X plus x is equal to 2x. Plus z plus -z is 0. And 6 minus 2 is 4. Now I multiply both sides of the equation times 1/2, which gives me x is equal to 2. Now I have two values, x and y. Now I'm going to put the 2 in the yellow equation, right there. 2 plus z is equal to 6. Add -2 to both sides of the equation, which gives me z is equal to 4. So now I'm going to put the z in its spot. Now I have all three variables. Let me get rid of everything on the screen. That 2 hanging around. There we go. Now I'm going to check my answer. 2 minus 1 plus 4, get it over there, is equal to 5. So it seems to work.